What's up, YouTube? My name is Lyntoya. I am the creator of DousedBeauty, and you are now tuned in to DousedBeauty TV. And if you are interested in how I got these beautiful tribal braids, go ahead and stay tuned to the video. Trust me, you would thank me later. All right, so the tools that you would need is a comb. You're gonna need rubber bands. You're going to need clips, and you are going to need whatever grease and or edge control or jam that you want to use, and a detangler. Now shout out to me because I'm the creator of DousedBeauty, and this is my new product. It's called Inches, and that's what I'm gonna be using to grow my hair out. If you're interested in shopping with me, hit me up on Instagram at DousedBeauty. All right, so I'm just taking a generous amount. I'm applying that all over my head. Shop with me on Instagram at DousedBeauty. You already know. And I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry my hair because I've already washed and conditioned it. And so, yeah, this is such a great style, fun style. And I'm super geeked that I'm even have something to even do to this head. Child, my hair is so short right now, but I'm excited. So what you want to do is just part that sucker down in the middle all the way to the back so you have two full sections, half and half, straight down the middle. And I'm just going to feed these braids in. So I'm taking seven sections of hair, two small, two medium small, two mediums, and one large. Now that I have my sections, all I'm going to do is apply a generous amount of edge control and jam to slick any like little flyaways and to make my hair a little bit more straight and manageable, and so it can look neat in these feed-in braids. So yeah, so then you're going to see me part a small section within that section to kind of anchor my braid so it can look as neat as possible. So yeah, just sit back and stay tuned and watch. Okay, so you guys are definitely going to see me do the anchor method right here. You see how I just took that little section? I'm going to plait that section maybe one, two, or three times before I actually start the cornrow process. And I want to give a disclaimer. Guys, I know my background is a mess. I know my lighting is a mess. Okay? Trust me, I get it. It's late. I'm tired. I'm just trying to do anything to my head. Lord, it was a struggle. The struggle was real. So please do not come for me because who gonna check me, boo? Who gonna check me, boo? So just sit back and enjoy this video and watch the struggle, okay? Because, period. Now, in all seriousness, guys, you want to be super duper careful in the front of your hair because we love our edges. We want to keep our edges. That's the whole point of all of this, is to grow natural, healthy, long, luscious, luxurious hair. So please be mindful. I am super heavy handed and I did not expect to be gripping, my soul, but I was gripping my soul. That's why y'all see me close my eyes. That's why I'm looking a hot mess. But just be careful when y'all do y'all's. I would also recommend that you actually just take your baby hairs out, you know, you know, and just do it that way. Cause child, by the end of it, I was pulling my baby hairs up out of that braid. So just a disclaimer, just a warning, okay? A warning. Protect your edges at all costs. So right here, I finished those sections and I'm just too excited. I'm too geek. I'm lit, y'all. I am lit. Comment in the comment section down below if you made it to this point in the video. Give me the strong arm emoji because, y'all, the struggle is real. But I'm so proud of myself. Hey. So by this time, y'all, I'm noticing that the blonde color in my hair is kind of making my braids look a little waves. But we're not going to let that deter us. We're not going to let that discourage us. We're going to keep on trucking through because the ending results is bomb. So just stay tuned. One of the reasons that I really wanted to try this video, to shoot a video like this, is because it's not a lot of styles that TWAs have outside of the normal hairstyles that you would see. And because I'm doing this on myself, I wanted to push myself to do something different. And I don't have 4C hair. I have some sections of my hair is I don't know, 3B, 3C, 4A, 4B. I don't know, but it's not the traditional hairstyles. I have so many different textures in curl patterns in my hair, so it kind of makes it difficult to do certain styles. So I just wanted to push myself and try something new. And right here, all I'm doing is just showing you guys how I actually feed the hair into my braids. Like I said, I wasn't going to go into it in depth way I do it. I just fold the hair over and pinch that sucker in there, and I just keep on going. Also, I just wanted to mention that if you guys are watching this video and you like this video, I do way more stuff than this on my channel. I teach people how to make their own toothpaste, make their own deodorant. I love doing DIY projects, and I like to teach people how to be self-sufficient and to create things from their home, very minimalistic. So just stay tuned, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content. Voila! So now I am finally through, y'all. Period. You see me? I can't even get my mind together. It's so late. So I'm just going back into my scalp with that DousedBeauty because, like I said, I need my hair to grow. So if y'all want y'all hair to grow, go ahead and get y'all some inches because it really works. And I'm going to wrap this sucker up for the night, y'all. So y'all going to see me tie a scarf on this, and I will go ahead and dip my ends in the morning, and you guys will be able to see the final results. I'm super excited. Hi guys, and thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. If you guys got inspired by this hairstyle, go ahead and comment down below if you will be trying to do this hairstyle or replicate this hairstyle. This is definitely fun. It is long. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a turn around so you guys can see. I did add my beads and stuff on the ends of it. I'm absolutely loving this. Thank you guys so much. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel because I post a lot of other fun things, not just, you know, hair tutorials and stuff like that. I actually teach you guys how to make your own products. I'm getting ready to make a hair cream as well for my aunt, so I'm going to be shooting a video on that. So if you're interested, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Peace.